Assalamu alaikum class 5. I hope you are doing great. So class, today is 16th of April 2021 and the day is Friday. Fine. So class, in yesterday lesson we studied about the concept of addition of numbers. I have a question in which 900 more than 5 space 624 space 540. Okay, so this is my question and I want to find write the numbers which is 900 more than 5 space 624 540. Okay, so what would we do class? हम क्या करेंगे? Who will tell me? Yes Sikandar? More than means addition. More than means addition. So first of all we will write 5 space 624 space 540 and the other number which we will add it, which is 900 in total. So now I will write this statement into vertical form. The first number is 5 space 624 space 540 and the number which I want to add in it, which is 900 in total. Fine. This is 900 is 3 digit in total. So I will write in ones column. ये clear हो गया सबको? Okay. So ones, thousands and millions. Fine. Now I am going to start from this side, which is 0 plus 0 is 0. 4 plus 0 is 4 and 5 plus 9 is 5 for upper 1 2 3 4 5 and 9 for lower 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Fine. In total I have class 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14. I have 14 in total, which is 2 digit in total. So I will write the unit place value, which is 4 below 9 and 1 as a carry. Fine. 1 as a carry. Now the next number, which is 4 and there is a 1 which is in carry, I will add 4 plus 1. In total I have 5. Fine. 2 as it is because there is no any digit below 2, like 6 and then like 5 as it is. So this is how we can read and write numbers which goes up to millions. Fine. So in total I have 5,625,440. Now I am going to write in words. Just look here class. 5 million 600 25,000 440. Okay, 5,625,440. So this is how we can read and write numbers which goes up to million. So class, let's move forward towards its question number 7, which is on page number 7. Subtract the given numbers. Okay? Okay class, now I am going to write question number 7. Subtract the given numbers. Part A, 1 space 469 space 953, and the next number is 205 space 343. Okay, so this is the question. Now I am going to repeat. Just listen to me very carefully. I have question number 7, which is on page number 7. Page number 7 from exercise number 1B. Question number 7. Subtract the given numbers. First is 3 minus 3. I am going to start from this side. So 3 minus 3. अब 3 में से क्या करने, 3 subtract करने हैं. So I have 0 in total. ठीक है, 3 में से मैंने 3 ही माइनस करने हैं, 3 में से 3 subtract करने हैं, तो टोटल क्या होगा मेरे पास in the end 0. Now moving towards next, which is 5 minus 4. 5 minus 4. 1 2 3 4 5. इन subtract कितने करने हैं हमने, 4. 1 2 3 4. 4 हमने subtract कर दिए and we have 1 in the end. Fine. Now next number, which is 9 minus 3. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Subtract कितने करने हैं हमने, 3. And in the end we have 1 2 3 4 5 6. 6. Fine. So this belongs to ones column, this belongs to thousands column, and this belongs to millions column. Now the next number, which is 9 minus 5. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. And we will subtract 5 from 9, which is 1 2 3 4 5 5. And as you look, we have 1 2 3 4. 4 are left. Fine. 9 minus 5 equals to 4. Next number, which is 6 minus 0. So 6 minus 0 is 6. 6 में से हमने कुछ भी subtract नहीं करना, so we will write 6 as it is. Fine. Next is 4 minus 2. 1 2 3 4. And we want to subtract 2 from it. 1 2. In total we have 2. In total we have 2. Okay. And in the end we have 1, because there is no digit below 1. So 1, we will write 1 as it is. Fine. Now class, I am going to repeat this example. I have question number 7 and the statement is subtract the given numbers. My first number is 1 space 469 space 953. And my second number is 205 space 343. So I am starting from the right side and I will subtract 1 by 1. And in the end I get 1,264,610. फाइन. ये क्लियर है सबको कि कैसे हम सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे? ओके. first number is 45 space 647 space 329 and my second number is 14 space 538 space 142. First of all, I will give them units, which is ones, thousands and millions. Fine. Now, in second step, I will subtract the values one by one. Okay. So, my first value, which is 9 minus 2. So, class, my first value is 9 minus 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And I will subtract 2 from it. So, in total, which are left is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7. 9 minus 2 is 7. Okay, class? Now, the next value of ones is 2 minus 4. So, class, is it possible to subtract 2 minus 4? क्या हम 2 में से 4 को subtract कर सकते हैं? No. So, that's why we will take 1 as a carry and this will make 2-digit number which is 12 in total. Fine? 2-digit in total which is 12. So 12 minus 4. 12 minus 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. अच्छा, ये नंबर तो 12 बन गया था and the previous will become 2. Fine? Now 12 minus 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 हमने इसमें से कट कर दिए, subtract करने थे and remaining numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. Fine? Now the next number is 2 minus 1, which is 1. Clear है ये सबको? Okay. Now I am moving towards next value, which is 7 minus 8. So class, is it possible to subtract 7 minus 8? No. So that's why I will take 1 from 4 and this will make 2-digit number which is 17 in total and this will become 3. Fine? Now 17 minus 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Now we will subtract 8 from this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And the remaining numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9. Okay? Now, next number which is 3 minus 3. 0. 3 में से हम 3 को subtract करेंगे and we get 0. Fine? Now the next number which is 6 minus 5. So 6 minus 5 is 1. 6 minus 5 is 1. Now the next number which is 5 minus 4. 5 minus 4 which is 1 in total. Fine class? Okay. If you look, we have 4 minus 1. Next value which is 4 minus 1. So 4 minus 1 is 1, 2, 3, 4 and we will subtract 1 from it. Now the remaining numbers are 3 in total. Okay? 3 in total. So I have two numbers class which goes up to million. My first number is 45 space 647 space 329 and my next number is 14 space 538 space 142. Fine. Now I am going to solve one by one. I will subtract one by one, and in the end I have 31,109,187. Fine. Now I am going to take another one. C part 4 space 875 space 648. This is my first number, and my second number is 1 space 232 space 537. Okay, my first number is 4 space 875 space 648, and my second number is 1 space 232 space 537. Now, according to the rule of subtraction, I will start from this side, which is 8 minus 1. First of all, I will give them its unit place. Fine. Now 8 minus 7 is 1. 4 minus 3 is 1. 4 में से जब हम 3 को subtract करते हैं, so we have 1 in total. Isn't class? Okay. Now the next number, which is 6 minus 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And we will subtract 5 from 5 in it, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. ये सब कट हो गए, and we have 1 in total. Isn't? Okay. Now the next number, which is 5 minus 2. 5 minus 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we will subtract 2. So in total I have 3. In total I have 3. Fine. Now the next number, which is 7 minus 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And we will subtract 3 from 7. So in total I have 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 in total. Fine class? Okay. Now my next number, which is 8 minus 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Fine? अब 8 में से मैंने क्या subtract करना है? 2. So I will subtract 2 from 8, and in total, and my remaining numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. Fine? Okay. Now the next number, which is 4 minus 1. So 4 minus 1 is 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 minus 1. 1 subtract कर दिया, और हमारे पास क्या बचेगा? 3. Clear है ये सबको? Okay. I have 2 numbers. The first number, my first number is 4 space 875 space 648. And my second number is 1 space 232 space 537. I am going to solve one by one, subtract one by one, and I get 3 space 643 space 111 in the end. Fine. Now we can read this number, which is in total, as 3,643,111. Fine. So class, this is all you have to do, all the parts which is related to question number 7 on copy. On book. If you find any difficulty related to this concept, you can ask me. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.